Hello, listen to this. If you are a global entrepreneur with a big idea, Canada Startup Visa Program might be your fastest route to launching your business in North America. But here's the good news. While your permanent residence application is still being processed, you don't have to wait on the sidelines. With the optional open work permit, you can move to Canada early. Start operations and build your dream company in one of the world's most beautiful friendly environments. So in this video, we will break down everything you need to know about the Canada Startup Visa optional open work permit. Who's eligible, what documents you need, how to apply, and why this step can accelerate your journey as a founder. The optional open work permit is a temporary work authorization available to entrepreneurs who have applied for permanent residence under the Startup Visa Program. It allows you to 1. Live and work in Canada while your PR application is in progress. 2. Start your business early and gain a foothold in the Canadian market. 3. Bring your family with you so they can settle while you establish your business. Who can apply? You may qualify for the open work permit if you have already submitted your permanent residence application under the Startup Visa Program. Also, you may qualify if you can show proof of submission such as letter of acknowledgement from IRCC, carrier receipt or online confirmation of application and fees. You may qualify if you hold a letter of support from a designated Canadian organization like incubator, angel investor or venture capital funds. Document required for application. When applying online, you will need to prepare these mandatory documents. 1. Proof of funds to support yourself and your family. 2. Proof of funds to start your business separate from living expenses. 3. Medical examination results. 4. Your police certificate if required. 5. Your resume and documents highlighting transferable skills. 6. Proof of investment funds available for transfer to Canada. So these are the highly recommended documents. 1. A detailed business plan showing progress since your commitment certificate. 2. Your staffing plan. 3. Proof of exploratory research like supplier talk, site visits, investor meetings. So how do you apply for this work permit? The application process is online through IRCC's official portal. You will need a scanner or camera to upload documents, a valid credit or debit card to pay fees. Once submitted, you can track your application status online and wait for approval. So why apply for the optional open work permit? This work permit is more than just a temporary solution. It's a strategic advantage for entrepreneurs. Here's why. Faster market entry. You start operation before your PR is approved. Also, networking opportunities. You build partnerships and attract investors locally. Also, family settlement. You move your family sooner and ease the transition into Canadian life. Also, confidence for investors. You demonstrate commitment and presence in Canada. So my final advice for you is that Canada's Startup Visa program is one of the most attractive immigration pathways for entrepreneurs worldwide. With the optional open work permit, you don't have to wait years to begin your journey. You can step into Canada now and build your venture and grow aside your permanent residence application. If you are serious about launching your business in Canada, this is a golden opportunity to get started today. So if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more immigration and travel updates, and share this video with anyone you know. And thank you for watching to the end. See you in my next video. Bye.